So, this is my review of Selecline. Just silicone here. This one goes. There's the bread. We also got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And it's we put it here. I don't know what it is. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.